way in here, this next frontal system. So we're between the two, which means it won't necessarily last for long. I have to tell you, the next system coming in is rather a weak affair and will not affect us all. This afternoon anyway, it's hard to complain. I mean, in comparison with yesterday, there's virtually no mist. Well, there is no mist over the southwest peninsula of England. The light breeze means that 19 to 20 degrees in the sunshine feels pretty good. There is admittedly rather more cloud over Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, but there's a bit of sun in between. And the morning heavy showers in northwest Highlands have gone. Aberdeenshire should see 20 or 21 degrees, 70 Fahrenheit. And running down the eastern side of England with very light breeze, really, and anyway it's a westerly, it means the northeast of England should be enjoying slightly higher temperatures than the northwest. They come beyond that. If you look out of the window, look into the sky anywhere in central and southern England, then it looks like a typical good summer's day. And I have to say, it does feel quite hot here in London, only about 21 degrees. But pollen UV levels are both high. That's the only price we have to pay, let's be honest. Well, let's take it overnight, and obviously you'd expect that next rain band to come in. Different looking thing, this. It's weak. It produces rain on the western upslopes of the Highlands tonight. Temperatures drop down to similar levels as they did last night. And the day is fairly promising for England and Wales, but with that thickening cloud, of course. So you start the day differently in Northern Ireland. A spot or two of rain here, 14 degrees, not much sunshine. Mind you, once the rain's left the Highlands of Scotland, the prospects of the sun coming out are quite good. Maybe not at 9 o'clock in the morning, but pretty much soon afterwards. Come down across the borders, and this is when you pick up the remnants of the rain. Light though it is, in Dumfries and Galloway and later in Cumbria, it'll show itself. South of that though, and I think it's sunshine all the way once again. A lightish breeze again. You're starting the day at 14 or 15 degrees. It can only get better. This of course is 9 o'clock, and yes, there could be a bit more cloud on the coast of Cornwall and Devon and Wales. The air's got a little bit moist, and it might be a spot or two of drizzle. However, that's a minor disturbance. On the whole, it is a continuing picture, with the exception of this band. That's the only thing I need to watch over the next few days, because although there's not much rain on it, there is quite a lot of cloud, keeping the temperatures down to 19. Warmer south of that. On Thursday, the cloud will have moved further south. We've got to burn holes in that. The sun might do it, but the trend is certainly for heating up to the weekend.